Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Ottomans give you additional storage in your living room, while also providing you with a comfortable place to rest your legs and feet. In this review, the This Old House Reviews team researched the 5 best Ottoman storage options on Amazon to help you find the product that's right for you and your home. There are many products available to choose storage Ottoman bench, each with different characteristics, benefit and prices to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best storage Ottoman bench from reputable good brands. After much research I found the product. These products are very helpful and interesting for people. If you want to know about the price and more information of product, watch the full video. Number 1. The Ottonova 30-inch Folding Storage Ottoman. This full leather storage ottoman is waterproof, making it suitable for indoor and outdoor use. With a comfortable padded top and a 350-pound weight capacity, this ottoman also provides you with another seat for your living room. This storage ottoman has a low height of 15 inches, making it the perfect height for a footrest. It is also easy to assemble in just 1 minute and can be folded flat when it's not in use. Number 2. SONGMICS 43-inch Folding Storage Ottoman Bench. This ottoman has 120 liters of storage space split between 2 chambers, making it easy to organize your belongings. This product also comes in several color choices ranging from white to brown to black to gray. With its weight capacity of 650 pounds, this storage ottoman is an ideal seating option for multiple people. Its top has a bonus layer of highly resilient foam for extra comfort. Number 3. Homepop Large Button Tufted Round Storage Ottoman. Weighing just 18 pounds, this ottoman has a button tufted design and sturdy polyester upholstery. The small size of this storage ottoman makes it ideal for small apartments or living rooms, giving you extra storage and footrest space, without taking up too much room. Despite the small size of this ottoman, it still supports up to 250 pounds, allowing it to be used as seating. Furthermore, it comes in 11 color options that are all paired with dark brown rounded wooden leg. Number 4. Bella's Rectangular Linen Storage Ottoman. This ottoman offers over 780 square feet of storage space. It also has an elegant design with stitched linen and metal studs. This ottoman fits one person comfortably, giving your living room an additional seat for visitors. It also has a powerful lid that stays open on its hinges until it's pushed down in multiple neutral color options, including brown and gray. Number 5. Velvet End of Bed Bench for Bedroom, Button Tufted Storage. While you are furniture shopping for your living room, take a look at this stylish ottoman bench. Not only is it amazingly comfortable and modern, but it also features great space for storage under a seat. You can choose from a total of 3 color varieties. What's unique about this storage ottoman bench is that it features a lift-open lid, but only in the center of the bench. The sides remain a part of the frame. Plus, the seat features a child safety hinge, so that the lid does not slam shut. Its construction consists of durable wood and strong rubber wood feet. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos and daily upload. If you need more information if you want to know different product quality, and want to get product related videos every day, then subscribe my YouTube channel. And you want know the product price, check in the description box. And for any kind of problem, please comment. Thanks for my watching video.